So hi, this one is 3.2.2, inserting a new worksheet and then deleting a worksheet. And the easiest way to insert a new worksheet in Excel is, you see this small circled plus sign, new sheet. You can just click on that one and it inserts a sheet right hand side from where you've just been. Hence you end up with sheet 1 and sheet 3 and then sheet 2. And you can alternatively do insert, and you can do insert sheet, and it pretty much does the same thing. The way you delete sheets is very easy. You can come and right click here and just say delete, and you can also come here and say delete. One thing to keep in mind is that if your sheet is not empty and you try to delete it, it will warn you that you are about to delete this. And one thing to keep in mind is that you cannot undo sheet deletions. Once it's gone, it's gone. The only way you can undo it is you can revert back to an older save, or you have to redo it manually. So don't delete sheets without making sure there's nothing on them that you need. Thank you for watching, and any questions you may have, drop a comment. Next one's going to be naming worksheets.